Hello guys, welcome back to our course. So this is oopscourse for all beginners and this is the module number 9, and today we are going to see interface in oops. So what is interface? First of all, we are going to see introduction to interface. So interface are a fundamental concept in object oriented programming. Means this is the fundamental concept which we are going to see or use in object oriented programming. So they defined a contract for classes specifying the methods they must implement. Okay, so interface means it is a same like abstraction or abstract class, but there is a little bit difference between interface and abstract. So we are going to see all these things in our further slides. So interfaces enables multiple inheritance or of behavior and promote loose coupling. So if you have watched the videos of inheritance, then in that video I have told you that multiple inheritance is not allowed in Java, but using interface you can do multiple inheritance in Java. So this is very important application of interface. So interviewer can ask you how to implement multiple inheritance in Java. So you can answer that in Java multiple inheritance is not possible, but by using interface you can implement the multiple inheritance. So this is the answer for that question. So now we are going to see characteristics of interfaces. So it provides pure abstraction, means interfaces contain only methods, signatures and constant without any implementation. Classes that implement an interface must provide concrete implementation for its methods. So pure abstraction means interfaces will provide 100% abstraction, means in that interface there will be no normal method, there will be only all the abstract methods. But in abstract class we can use normal methods also, but in interface there will be only abstract methods. So it will provide 100% abstraction, and in abstract classes there will be partial inter abstraction. Okay, so now uh, I have told you multiple inheritance. So multiple inheritance means one child have multiple parents. So if you don't watch that inheritance video, then uh, go and watch that video. So multiple inheritance, we have understood all these things. So a class can implement multiple in interfaces inheriting behavior from each. So there will be more than one parents, and overcomes the limitation of single inheritance in class hierarchies. Okay, so now we are going to see defining how to define interface or defining of interfaces. So interfaces are defined using the interface keyword. So like we use class keyword to create a class, or we use, there are different types of keywords. So for creating interface we just use interface and we give the name of interface like class. Okay, so declare method signature that implementing classes must define. So in interface we provide just body, and all the things will be implement in the child class or other classes. Interfaces can also include constants. Example, Java interface defining drawable behavior for different shapes. Now implementation of interfaces. So classes implement interfaces using the implements keyword. So like in our classes, we for normal classes we use uh, extends keyword for inheriting the properties of parent class, but in the interfaces we use implements keyword for inherit the properties of, or to implement the methods of interfaces. So the implementing class must provide concrete implementation for all methods defining in the interface. For example, implementing the drawable interface in various shape classes. Now what are the benefits of interfaces? So there are various interfaces or various benefits of interfaces. So it provides flexibility, then it provides modularity, it provides code reusability, means we can use the single same code again and again. It simplifies the integration of different components, and most important thing, it it makes possible to implement multiple inheritance in Java. So this is very important benefit of interface. Now interfaces, application or use cases. So uh, it is used in frameworks and libraries. So interfaces are crucial for building extensible software frameworks and reusable libraries. It is used for API design. Well-designed interface provides a clear and consistent way for developers to interact with software components. It provides plugin architecture. Interface enables third-party developers to create plugins that seamlessly integrate with existing system. So these are the applications of interfaces. Now at the end we are going to summarize all these things what we have learned in this session. So first of all we have seen introduction of interface, how to what is interface, so we have seen. Then we have seen characteristics of interface. Then we have seen implementation of interface, and we have seen benefits of interface. So these are the topics we have covered in this presentation. So I hope you have understood all these things and all these concepts. If you have any doubts, then please ask me in comment box. I will answer each and every question, and I will be happy to solve your queries. So if you understand all these things, then please like, share and comment. I will be meeting you in next lecture. Okay, thank you guys. Bye bye.